Welcome to my channel. Let's make a letter D today. Start with a slip knot. Then make 17 chains. Starting from the second chain. Make 16 single crochet for row 1 and row to 1 chain at the end of the rows. Row 2. Row 3. For row 3, let's do 5 single crochet. On the 5th SC, we are going to add the second color yarn. Complete the 5th SC with blue yarn and make 1 chain. Pull both the yarns to tighten the work. Also keep the white yarn along underneath. On the 6th chain of row 2, take the yarn over hook and make 5 double crochet. Now you should have 6 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all loops together and make 1 chain. Then on the 7th loop of row to make a slip stitch. Keep the white yarn along underneath. Again, on the 8th chain, make 5 do C so you have 6 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 6 loops together, then make 1 chain. Then on the 9th chain of row to make a slip stitch. Then again on the 10th chain of row 2. Make 5 double crochet so you have 6 loops on the hook. your 6 loops, pull the yarn through all and make 1 chain. Now on the 11th chain, make a slip stitch. So for the last bobble for this row, we will make 5DC on 12th chain of row 2. Once you have 6 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all loops together, then make 1 chain. Now we will leave the blue yarn behind and switch with the white yarn. On the 13th chain of row 2, make a slip stitch with white yarn and 1 chain. Pull both the yarns to tighten the work. Then make single crochet on 14, 15, and 16th chains of row 2, and 1 chain at the end of row 3. Turn around. We will bring the blue yarn along, as we will be needing it later for row 5. Row 4. Row 4 is just making the 16 single crochet and bringing along the blue yarn. We will leave the blue yarn at around 13th or 14th, completing the row 2 with a chain at the end. Don't forget to count your single crochet. It should be 16 for all these back rows. Turn around. Row 5. We will do 3s, and the third one we will complete with the blue yarn by switching the yarn color. So on the third SC, bring the blue yarn and complete the SC. Then make 1 chain. Pull both the yarns to tighten the work. Then on the 4th chain of row 4, we will de-yarn over the hook and make 5 double crochet. Once we have 6 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 6 loops together and make 1 chain. Now we will leave the blue yarn switch with the white yarn. Make a slip stitch on the 5th chain of row 4, then 1 chain. Pull both the yarns to tighten the work. Now we will bring along the blue yarn underneath as we need to use it later for the same row. So make the single crochet on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11th chain of row 4. So on the 11th SC, we will complete it with the blue yarn and make 1 chain. Then pull both the yarns to tighten the work. Now take the yarn over and make 5 double crochet on the 12th chain of row 4. When you have 6 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all and make 1 chain. Now we will leave the blue yarn behind. Switch it with the white yarn. Then on the 13th chain of row 4, make a slip stitch and 1 chain with the white yarn. Then make SC on 14, 15 and 16th chain of row 4 and 1 chain at the end of row 5. This is how it looks after 5 rows. Now we are going to repeat the row 4 and row 5. Don't forget to bring the blue yarn along for the back rows. This is after I have completed the row 13, row 1, 4, so I will do this back row again to show how to bring the blue yarn along. (16) single crochet and bringing the blue yarn along. For any questions, let me know in the comments, or if any specific letter you would like to see next first. Please do like, share and subscribe. It's time to count the 16 single crochet again. Turn around. Row 15. For row 15, we are going to repeat exactly The same process for row 3. 5SC, switching the yarn with blue at 5th scanned 1 chain. Then on the 6th, make 5DC until you have 6 loops. Then pull through all and 1 chain. Then slip stitch on the 7th chain. Then on the 8th, make 5DC to have 6 loops. Pull through all and 1 chain. Slip stitch on the 9th. Make sure to pull the yarns in between to tighten the work. Then again 5DC on 10th for 6 loops on the hook. Pull through all and make 1 chain slip stitch on the 11th. The very last bobble for the letter. Make 5DC on the 12th so you have 6 loops. Then pull through all and 1 chain. Now at this time we will leave the blue yarn. Switch it with white slip stitch and 1 chain at the 13th. Then do single crochet on 14, 15, and 16th. 1 chain at the end of the row 15. When we started our project, we made 2 rows of just single crochet, so we will repeat the same thing for row 16
I will
and
cut the blue
17.
yarn and
weave it at the same
This
time.
is the complete look and only one and to weave.
Thanks for watching.